In this video, I will be making another medicinal syrup. So for this video, I'm going to be using my Spring Meadow Fragrance Elderflowers. And this is what they look like. And I will also be using this Aunt Sue's raw and unfiltered wildflower honey. And this is pure honey, and it is grade A. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So in my last DIY syrup video, I showed how I made the borage flower medicinal syrup. And this is going to be the same process. So what I'm going to do is take 1 cup of water. And I'm going to add that into a pot. As you can see here. And I will bring that to a boil. And once it has finished boiling, I will then add 2 cups of the elderflowers and let those sit for 30 minutes. Elderflowers have a lot of really good health benefits. They can help treat the flu. They are known to help freshen your breath. They are good at relieving coughs. They can aid and support a healthy respiratory system and also boost your immune system. And it also contains antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. So making this into a cough syrup will definitely provide a lot of health benefits during the winter months. Once the water has come to a boil, you're going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups worth of the elderflowers. Go ahead and cover that and then let it sit for 30 minutes until you've created essentially a strong tea. Now that the elderflowers have into the 1 cup of boiled water, I'm going to go ahead and strain the flowers from the liquid, and I'm going to place it into my saucepan. So I have my strainer, and I'm just going to pour the tea into the saucepan. turn it into a medium low just to bring the mixture up to a boil, or not quite a boil, just a low simmer. And then you're going to add 1 cup of either honey, you could use any type of maple syrup or a simple syrup of your choice. So you're going to continue to stir this mixture, and once you have reached the right consistency, you're going to take it off of the burner and you're going to allow it to cool before you place it into a jar, and it will be ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, recipes, and reviews. Thanks for watching.